How to share someone's Instagram story in your own Instagram story. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Log into your account. Simply open someone else's story and click on arrow on bottom right. And here you won't be able to share anybody's story in this way. As you can see, there is only share option for different apps. You won't be able to share another person's story unless they mention you. If the person mentioned you, it will show you in your inbox, this person has mentioned you. From there only you can add their story into your own Instagram story, otherwise you can't. This is how to share someone's Instagram story in your own story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.